Let us start with the question number 7. The board is clear, na? The ratio of the radii of two circle, the ratio of radii of two circle is 4 is to 5, and we have to find ratio of their area is equal to question mark.
Stop.
What happened? The ratio of radii of two circle is 4 is to 5, and the ratio of their area, we have to find the ratio of the area, their area question mark. Now see, we know that radii, or we can, wait, we can write R1 upon R2 is equal to 4 upon 5. Now, the area 1 upon area 2 is equal to 2 pi r square 1 upon pi r2 square. See, now pi and pi is cancelled, and we know that r1 upon r2 is 4 upon 5. So we can write here 4 square upon 5 square. So the ratio of area 1 and area 2 is equal to 16 is to 25. Everyone must copy this, and if there is a problem in anything, you can ask. I repeat the solution. Ratio of the radii of two circle is 4 is to 5. This is given here. Now the ratio of their area. We have to find the ratio of their area. Clear? We have to find the ratio of the area. Now, R1 upon R2 is equal to 4 upon 5. We have to find A1 upon A2. So, A1 upon A2 is equal to pi R1 square upon pi R2 square. Pi is cancelled. We know that R1 upon R2 is equal to 4 upon 5. So, it will be 4 square upon 5 square. Now, the area 1 is to area 2 is equal to 4 square is 16 and 5 square is 25. Everyone must copy this solution, and here is a homework question number 2 November 20. Question number 8 is your homework. You can see, and everyone must write what is the homework according to date. Now can I wrap?
Yes, sir.
And everyone must write the question number here. What is the homework? Everyone check here according to date. Now the question number 8, okay. Now the ninth question. You can see the ninth question. A steel wire, a steel wire when bent in a form of a square encloses an area of 121. Everyone make a figure. A wire is bent in the shape of a square and area is equal to 121 centimeter square. Now the same wire is bent in the shape of a circle. Same wire is bent in the shape of a circle. So find the area of the circle. We have to find area. What is the common between these two figures? The wire that is used to make the two different shapes. Like same wire is used to make the used to make a circle also. So it means that the perimeter of a square is equal to the perimeter of perimeter of a circle or a circumference of a circle. So first we have to find the side of the or perimeter of the this. So area of square is equal to 121, and we know that the formula of this is side square is equal to 121. So side is equal to under root 121. It will be 11 centimeter. Clear? Then we have to find the perimeter. Perimeter of square. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiplied by side. So it will be 4 times 11, which is equal to 44 centimeter. Means 44 centimeter wire is used to make the square, and the same wire is in the shape of same wire is used to make a circle also. So it means the perimeter of a, now the next, this is the first portion. Now the perimeter, or we have to write first circumference. Circumference of circle is equal to perimeter of square, which is equal to 44 centimeter. Perimeter of square is 44 centimeter. So we know the formula of circumference is 2 pi r is equal to 44. So it means that 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 into r is equal to 44. So r is equal to 44 times 7 upon 44. So the radius is equal to 7 centimeter. So the radius is equal to 7 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of the circle. So if the radius of the circle is 7 centimeter, therefore the area of circle is equal to pi r square. So it will be 22 upon 7 times 7 into 7. Now 7 and 7 is cancelled. 22 times 7 is equal to 154 centimeter. Now this is clear, or is there any doubt? If there is any doubt, you can ask, no problem.
Sir, clear.
Clear? Good. Very good. And please, I want everyone must copy this. Now the question number 10 is the same. So you can do in homework. Question number 10. We can start question number 11. Now copied?
Yes, sir.
Question number 10 is your homework. Now question number 11. Anyone read the question number 11 for me? Ankesh?
A rectangular sheet has a arc is 34 centimeter by 24 centimeter. From it, 64 circular buttons, each of diameter 3.5 centimeter, have been cut out. Find the area of the remaining sheet.
So there is a acrylic sheet, and the dimension is 34 and 24. If it, sorry, and 64 circular buttons, each of diameter this, has been cut out, find the area of the remaining sheet. Okay. So we have to cut a small button like this, and the radius of each circle is equal to 3.5, 3.5, 3.5 centimeters. So first we have to find the area of square. We start the solution with area of a square. So the area of square is equal to side, sorry, area of square, not, it's a rectangle, sorry, it's my mistake. So the area of first, it is a rectangular sheet. So area of rectangle. So area of rectangle is equal to length times breadth, which is equal to 34 times 24. Now calculate everyone, 34, 24. So the 8. आंसर आ गया सबका? So the answer is 816.
816.
Yes, 816 centimeter square. 816 centimeter square. Now we have to find the area of a small button. Area of one one circular button, which is equal to buttons. So the area of this is pi r square, and this is 22 upon 7 times 3.5 square, or we can write it twice, 3 point this into this. Clear? So we just remove only one like this. It will be 7 and 2, 2 times 11, and 7 and 7 is cancelled. So it will be 11 times 3.5. So 3.5 times 11 is equal to 350, 385. 385.5. Check the calculation, please. Check the calculation, please. Is it right? And this is centimeter square. What happened?
Nothing, sir.
Why are you doing like this?
Sir, I have cold.
ये पहले एक बात बताओ, तुम्हारे पास टीवी चल रहा है तो क्या उसे स्विच ऑफ नहीं कर सकते? Is it be fair? So now the area of one circular button is 38.5. So we have to find the 816. Now we have to find the area of 64 button. 64 circular button, which is equal to 38.5 times 64.
Sir, 2464.
ओके, देयर इज अ मिस्टेक, कोई बात नहीं, थोड़ी छोटी सी मिस्टेक है. दिस इज अ डायमीटर नॉट रेडियस. Sorry, this is the diameter, misread, sorry. So it will be pi 22 upon 7, just half it, 3.5 upon 2. अभी मैं बता रहा हूँ उसी के तरह से करना है इसको. किससे क्या अभी कोई भी, there is no problem, you just change the number only. Okay, wait. So it will be 7 and 2, 7 is cancel, and 2 here is cancel, 11. So our answer is 38.5 upon 4. 4. You can just divide by 4. Whatever your answer, you can divide by 4. 38 and 38.4. So it will be 1 and then 16. You can multiply 38 times 60, 38.5 into 16. 38.5 into 16. 16 बचे. Let's see. It's Now, what is the answer? 38 times 38.5 into 16 is equal to, what is the answer? 596? Huh? छः सौ सोलह 616. Is it be 616?
Sir, 616.
Yes. बोला करो ना जल्दी. So, now we have area of remaining sheet is equal to area of sheet minus area of 64 buttons. So it will be 816 centimeter square minus 616 centimeter square. Subtract it. It's 200 centimeter square. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now it is clear. Question number 12. Question number 12 is same like this. You can cut out. Then question number 12 is your homework. Now we move to the question number 13. Anyone read the question number 13 for me? Except Ankesh.
Sir, can I?
In the given figure,
Sir,
four
can
equal
I?
circles.
Ankesh, kindly listen
Yes,
the
sir.
instruction. मैंने बोला except
In
Ankesh.
the
Yes, Ahana,
in
read the
the
question.
given figure in the given figure, four equal circles are described about the four corners of the square, so that each circle touches two of the circles as shown in the figure.
Good.
Find the area of the shaded region each side of the square measuring 14 centimeter.
अब कुछ कुछ फिगर है, ये रफ फिगर है तो ऐसा ही बनता है, ऐसा ही है. एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ दिस रीजन. यस, यू सी, अभी सभी देखना है यहाँ पर, दिस इज द 1/4 area of the circle. So, and what about the length and breadth? What is the square? Each side is 14. The square side from here to here is 14 meter or centimeter. Centimeter. So from here to here is 14. So it means that radius is equal to half multiplied by side, which is equal to half multiplied by 14. Cancel करेंगे. This is 7 side of square. Clear? Now we have to find the area of the square first, and then we have to reduce the 4 quadrant. This 1 mean 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 part of a circle is a quadrant. Quadrant. Is that clear? ये सभी को लिखना है. Everyone must write in their copy. 1/4 part of a circle is called a quadrant, and four quadrants make a circle. Makes a circle. Make a circle. Is that clear? ये चीज सबको लिखना है. 1/4 part of a circle is a quadrant. And four quadrant makes a circle. Four quadrant makes a circle. So the radius of the circle is here. Sorry. So the radius of the circle is here, and we have to find the area of the square. Area of square is equal to side square, which is equal to 14 square. 14 square is equal to 196 centimeter square. Clear? Now the area of four quadrant means 4 multiplied by 1/4. 4 multiplied by 1/4. 1/4 part of a circle. 1/4 part of a circle. So pi r square. So the area of four quadrant, because there is four quadrant, 1, 2, 3 and 4. There is four quadrant. So it's a four quadrant, means फोर क्वाड्रेंट का मतलब होता है कि वो एक पूरा सर्कल बन जाता है. मैंने अभी तुम्हें बताया है कि 1/4 ऑफ अ सर्कल इज अ क्वाड्रेंट, and 4 quadrant makes a circle. Quadrant make a circle. ये सभी को लिखना है. Everyone must write in their copy. So this is area of 4 quadrant means 4 multiplied by 1/4. So you just cancel 4 and 4. So the area must be 22/7 multiplied by 7 into 7. So it will be 154 centimeter square. Now can I rub this portion? So the area
Yes, sir.
of shaded portion, we have to find the, in the given region, find the area of the shaded region. So the area of shaded portion or region, anything you can write. Area of shaded portion is equal to area of square minus area of four quadrant. Area of four quadrant. So which is equal to 196 minus 154. So 196 minus 154 is 42. 42 centimeter square. Clear? Is there any doubt? Please ask.
Sir, no.
Good. Everyone must copy this. If copied, then tell me copied, then I will rub and solve the next question to you. Copied?
Yes, sir.
Good. ये किसने बोला था? ये नाम बताओ, क्या है तुम्हारा? आकृति। आकृति, कितना मार्क्स आया तुम्हारे को टेस्ट में?
Yes, sir.
कितना मार्क्स आया टेस्ट में?
12.
12।
12.
क्यों, पेपर बहुत डिफिकल्ट था या गेस मार रहे थे? सॉल्व कर रहे थे या गेस मार रहे थे?
सर सॉल्व कर
सॉल्व कर रहे थे कॉपी में।
फिर भी आंसर नहीं आ रहा था, इतनी प्रॉब्लम है। गुड। So now the question number 12. I try to tell you one more question. Then 14. You can do 14 and question number 50 by 15, not 16. This is the homework, today's homework. Question number 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. Little fast, I will explain the question number 15. Sorry. There is a circle and there is a two circle within this circle, and the figure is like this. Figure is like this. A circle of a diameter 21 means from here to here is 21. Here to here is 21 centimeter. And inside the circle, two circle with diameter 2/3 and 1/3 of the bigger circle. Means this is C1, sorry. This is C1, this is C2 and this is C3. So R1 is equal to 21/2 centimeter. R2 is equal to 2/3 of 21/2. So it will be cancelled and this is 7. So 7 centimeter. R3 is equal to 1/3 of 21/2. So it will be 7/2 centimeter. So if we have to find the shaded region, this is the shaded region or a shaded portion. So area of shaded portion is equal to area of C1 circle 1 minus area of circle 2 plus circle 3. Is that clear? So is equal to C1 is pi r 2 pi r r1 minus 2 pi r2 minus 2 pi r3. We can put the value and find out the solution. Or if you want to take a common, so you can take out common also. 2 pi r1 minus, the 2 pi is common, so you can write 2 pi here and then r2 minus.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, the time is, sir, the class is over now.
Okay, you can write this, find and put the value and find out the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bye bye, everyone.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.